Here are 12 habits that silently weaken your mind and hold you back from your full potential. What if I told you these common behaviors, like obsessing over control or worrying about others' opinions, are silently draining your energy and mental strength? The surprising truth is, breaking free from these patterns can unlock a level of resilience and peace you've never imagined. And here's the twist. Most of us don't even realize we're stuck in these cycles. This video will not only reveal the habits that weaken your mind, but also provide practical Buddhist-inspired strategies to replace them. You'll learn how to let go, embrace impermanence, and cultivate mindfulness in ways that build lasting mental strength. Stay with us as we uncover these life-changing insights and show you the path to a more empowered, resilient self. 1. Complaining about things outside your control. Complaining is like carrying a heavy load that we cannot put down. When we focus on what's wrong instead of finding solutions, we create a cycle of negativity that drains our mental strength. Complaints about uncontrollable situations, whether it's the weather, other people's behavior, or unforeseen circumstances, magnify frustration and reduce clarity. Buddhist teachings on impermanence remind us that everything changes, challenges are temporary, and our energy is better spent on what we can influence. Practicing acceptance is like letting go of a clenched fist. It's liberating. Instead of resisting reality, embrace it with mindfulness and focus on actionable steps. By redirecting energy toward constructive solutions and releasing what's beyond control, we build resilience and free ourselves from the burden of unnecessary complaints. 2. Worrying about what others say and do. Worrying about others' opinions is a mental trap that ties our self-worth to external validation. It's like being a leaf tossed in the wind, directionless and unsettled. When we care too much about what others think, we sacrifice authenticity and mental peace. Buddhist teachings on equanimity help us find balance amidst praise and criticism. Practicing mindfulness allows us to observe judgments without becoming entangled in them. Self-love acts as an anchor, reminding us that our worth is intrinsic and independent of others' perceptions. By focusing on our values and cultivating authenticity, we learn to navigate life with confidence and steadiness. Equanimity, paired with self-acceptance, empowers us to stay true to ourselves, liberating us from the mental weakness of constantly worrying about external judgments. 3. Not making time for personal growth. Neglecting self-improvement is like letting a fire die out. It leaves us stagnant and unfulfilled. Growth is essential for building mental resilience and achieving a fulfilling life. Buddhist principles of right effort emphasize intentional action toward personal development. This could involve learning new skills, exploring creative pursuits, or nurturing emotional intelligence. Self-reflection, another core Buddhist practice, allows us to assess where we are and where we want to go. Setting aside time for growth fosters clarity, purpose, and self-confidence. It's a reminder that we are always a work in progress. By prioritizing personal growth, we cultivate a mindset of possibility and adaptability. This strengthens our mental framework, helping us face challenges with curiosity and determination rather than fear or stagnation. 4. Letting your emotions rule you. Uncontrolled emotions are like stormy seas. They can overwhelm and disorient us. When emotions rule, we react impulsively, often worsening situations. Mindfulness, a cornerstone of Buddhist practice, teaches us to observe emotions without being swept away by them. By acknowledging feelings as they arise, we gain the space to respond thoughtfully. Emotional intelligence, recognizing, understanding, and managing emotions, helps us navigate challenges with clarity and compassion. Loving kindness meditation, another Buddhist tool, cultivates empathy and emotional balance. It's like planting seeds of kindness in turbulent soil. With mindfulness and emotional intelligence, we learn to steer through emotional storms with calm and purpose. This shift allows us to respond wisely, fostering resilience and strengthening our mental core. 5. Dwelling on the past. Dwelling on the past is like trying to walk forward while looking backward. It's disorienting and unproductive. When we cling to past mistakes or regrets, we bind ourselves to suffering and prevent growth. Buddhist teachings on impermanence remind us that life constantly changes and the past cannot be altered. Mindfulness encourages us to focus on the present moment, where we have the power to create new experiences. Forgiveness, both for ourselves and others, is a vital step in releasing past burdens. It's like removing a heavy backpack that slows us down. Self-compassion further strengthens us, helping us approach past wounds with understanding instead of judgment. By letting go of the past, we open ourselves to opportunities and embrace the possibilities of the present. 6. Trying to control everything. The desire to control everything is like gripping sand tightly. The more we try, the more it slips through our fingers. This habit creates frustration, anxiety, and mental exhaustion. Buddhist teachings on non-attachment guide us to release this need for control. Recognizing what we can influence and accepting what we cannot is liberating. Mindfulness anchors us in the present, helping us focus on meaningful actions without being consumed by the outcomes. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means approaching life with openness and adaptability. When we release the illusion of control, we find empowerment in navigating life's uncertainties with grace and resilience. This practice lightens our mental load, fostering peace and strength. 7. Fantasizing instead of visualizing. Fantasizing is like building castles in the air. It disconnects us from reality and achievable goals. Unrealistic expectations often lead to disappointment when they don't materialize. Visualization, on the other hand, is grounded in actionable steps toward meaningful aspirations. Buddhist principles of right intention and right action emphasize setting realistic goals and working steadily toward them. Mindfulness helps us stay present, balancing our dreams with the realities of life. Visualization transforms ambitions into roadmaps, guiding us forward with clarity. By replacing fantasies with focused visualization, we align our efforts with achievable outcomes, building confidence and mental resilience. 8. Neglecting personal relationships. Neglecting relationships is like ignoring a garden. Without care, it withers. Human connections bring joy, support, and meaning to life. Buddhist teachings encourage presence and compassion in nurturing relationships. Spending quality time with loved ones is like watering plants. It strengthens bonds and fosters mutual growth. Communication, both listening and expressing, is vital for understanding and connection. Recognizing impermanence reminds us to cherish relationships, knowing that time together is finite. By prioritizing personal connections, we cultivate a support system that enriches our mental and emotional well-being. Strong relationships are a source of resilience, helping us navigate life's challenges with shared strength. 9. Blaming others for your problems. Blaming others is like giving away the steering wheel of our lives. It disempowers us and halts progress. Buddhist teachings on karma emphasize personal responsibility. When we blame others, we overlook our role in shaping outcomes. Forgiveness for both ourselves and those we blame is essential for moving forward. It's like setting down a heavy load. We feel lighter and freer. Mindfulness helps us recognize when we shift blame and guides us to take constructive action instead. By owning our part in challenges, we reclaim control over our lives, fostering resilience and mental strength. 10. Focusing on external success only. Chasing external success while neglecting inner fulfillment is like climbing a ladder leaning against the wrong wall. It leads to temporary satisfaction but lasting emptiness. Buddhist teachings on contentment highlight the importance of balancing external achievements with internal well-being. Practicing gratitude shifts our focus to the present, helping us appreciate what we have rather than fixating on what's missing. Mindfulness reminds us that true success includes emotional, spiritual, and relational growth. By aligning our goals with our values, we create a fulfilling life that nourishes both outer and inner success. 11. Having a negative mindset. A negative mindset is like a cloud that blocks the sun. It dims our perspective and saps joy from life. Constant negativity shapes our decisions and actions, creating a cycle of dissatisfaction. Buddhist practices like mindfulness and loving-kindness meditation help shift our focus from negativity to positivity. By embracing impermanence, we recognize that difficult times pass. This awareness fosters hope and resilience. Reframing challenges as opportunities for growth transforms negativity into empowerment. A positive mindset illuminates life's possibilities, strengthening our mental framework. 12. Not expressing yourself. Holding back your thoughts and emotions is like locking away a treasure chest. It isolates us and creates internal pressure that can lead to stress or anxiety. Buddhist teachings on right speech encourage honest, kind, and mindful communication. Expressing yourself authentically builds stronger connections and fosters mutual understanding. Mindfulness helps us articulate our thoughts clearly, while self-compassion allows us to share without fear of judgment. By opening up, we create space for connection and understanding, enhancing both mental strength and emotional well-being. Breaking free from habits that weaken the mind is not just a possibility, it's a transformative journey that leads to lasting resilience and peace. By applying the Buddhist-inspired strategies we've discussed, you can replace these negative patterns